to tighten and to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight low across your hips, wearing anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor, all lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts. There are 2 life rafts in the middle ceiling compartment. 1 life raft is for the ceiling compartment. In the event of a water evacuation, use life vests under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle in front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down the red tab to inflate. And to manually inflate, blow to the tube at your shoulder. Your vest also has a light that turns on automatically once it hits the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if you need it. We are coming by now to check that your seatbelts fastened. Seat backs and your tray tables are in the full upright and locked position, and all those carry-on items are properly stowed. Smoking is not allowed on board, including in lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes are prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you may have brought with you on this flight. I know it is a little bit warm on here. You guys could reach up, unscrew those air vents. We're going lefty-loosey on the vents. Just make sure the air is coming through them. We do have the AC at max. It's going to get cooler once we take off though. Last but not least, if needed, for oxygen mask, we'll drop the main compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. And although oxygen will be flowing, that plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Please remove any face covering before donning an oxygen mask. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Sit back, relax, enjoy your 2-hour and 7-minute flight to Nashville. And welcome aboard, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be dimming the cabin lights for departure. If you need additional reading light, there's a button overhead with a light bulb on it.